The cylinder is the heart of the lift. The importance is self-evident. This is the CNC unmanned lathe. The raw materials are automatically grabbed by the truss robot. After processing, it is automatically sent out. Only by accurately controlling these parts related to sealing, the oil cylinder can maintain high quality. This is one of the important components of our cylinder head production station. All cylinder heads have extremely high precision requirements for built-in holes and built-in grooves. This equipment can achieve zero error in processing accuracy. Accurately control the quality of the cylinder. Behind me, this is our cylinder assembly workshop. We always adhere to the principle of independent production and manufacturing. Not only manufacture our own cylinders, also insist on producing important spare parts. We know that only in this way can control product quality more accurately. Ensure that every process achieve the highest standards. This is the assembly line for the scissor lift. The production capacity of this assembly line is extremely outstanding. The production line operates efficiently at full capacity every day. We have extremely strict control over the parts of the previous process. It ensures the speed and smoothness of our assembly process. The high quality and high standards of the materials ensure the high quality delivery of our subsequent assembly. We always make sure debugging and testing each machine before leaving the factory, although it will increase our workload and working hours. This is the working method that Unite has been adhering to for more than 10 years. Safe and reliable lift come to Unite.